Most people spend their lives working for money, trading hours for dollars, day after day, week after week. But what if money could work for you? There are two types of income. Active, where you work once and get paid once. Passive, where you work once and get paid again, and again, and again. This series will open your eyes to freedom, to leverage, to income that doesn't stop when you do. Let's break the cycle. Let's build real wealth. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, a place to share knowledge and thinking to help you improve and develop yourself. If you have any questions or want me to write about any topic, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. 1. Time for money versus money while you sleep. Many people trade their time for money, working hourly jobs or salaried positions where income is directly tied to the hours they put in. But there's another way, earning money while you sleep. This approach, often called passive income, involves building assets, like investments, digital products, or businesses, that generate revenue around the clock. The key difference lies in freedom. While trading time limits your earning potential, passive income creates opportunities for wealth and flexibility beyond traditional work. 2. The trap of active income. Relying solely on active income can create a cycle that's difficult to escape. When your earnings are directly tied to the hours you work, your financial growth is limited by the finite amount of time and energy you have each day. This often leads to burnout and leaves little room for personal pursuits or unexpected opportunities. Breaking free from this trap requires a shift in mindset, one that values building assets and creating income streams that work for you, not the other way around. 3. Active income builds stability. Passive builds freedom. Active income provides a sense of stability, offering a reliable paycheck and the security of knowing exactly what you'll earn each month. This can be reassuring, especially when managing daily expenses or planning for short-term goals. However, passive income introduces a different kind of value: freedom. By generating earnings without constant effort, passive income opens the door to more choices, greater flexibility, and the ability to design a lifestyle less dependent on the constraints of a traditional job. 4. The power of leverage. Leverage is the secret ingredient that amplifies the impact of your efforts, allowing you to achieve far more than you could alone. By harnessing resources like technology, capital, or the skills of others, you can multiply your results and accelerate your journey toward financial independence. Whether it's investing in real estate, automating a business, or building a team, leverage transforms limited time and energy into exponential growth, making your path to passive income even more powerful and sustainable. 5. Freedom is the goal. Ultimately, the pursuit of financial freedom is about reclaiming control over your time and choices. By building streams of passive income and leveraging your resources wisely, you move closer to a life where work becomes optional, not mandatory. This shift empowers you to focus on what truly matters, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing passions, or contributing to your community. Remember, true wealth is measured not just in dollars, but in the freedom to live on your own terms. 6. Start small. Grow big. The journey toward financial independence doesn't require massive leaps at the outset. In fact, the most sustainable growth often begins with small, intentional steps. By starting with manageable investments or side projects, you can build confidence, gain valuable experience, and minimize risk. Over time, these modest beginnings have the potential to compound, leading to significant results. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Every large success story is built on a foundation of small, persistent actions. 7. Make money work for you. Making money work for you means shifting your mindset from simply earning to strategically investing and growing your wealth. Instead of relying solely on your paycheck, consider avenues like stocks, real estate, or starting a side business. Each dollar you invest has the potential to generate more income over time, creating a cycle of growth. By reinvesting your earnings and seeking opportunities for passive income, you empower yourself to achieve lasting financial security and greater independence. You can keep working for money, Or you can start building something that works for you. Passive income isn't a dream. It's a decision, a side hustle, a smart investment, a single skill, multiplied. Freedom doesn't come from more hours. It comes from ownership. Start small. Stay consistent. Think long term. Because in the end, you weren't born to just work and pay bills. You are undefeated. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.